What is called lens? Okay, Mahi, look, we are done till here. Eh?
Yes.
We are done till here.
Okay.
See, we got the definition of lens and then some terms related to lens. We have optical center here. Look, we have optical center here, and the dotted lines here, it is optical axis. Eh? And
Okay, sir.
the lines you see parallel here. So through the optical center, the line going, horizontally, that is called principal axis. Like I'm drawing here, this one is called principal axis, okay? And this one
Okay.
is optical center here, and this one is optical axis. And you see these lines are coming and joining a single point. It is called principal focus. Eh? Okay.
Okay.
And from the optical center to principal focus, this distance is called focal length. So focal length you got, right? So we need focal length, focal point, principal axis, optical center. And this one is dotted lines, it is optical axis. Is it clear? And
Yes, sir.
this one, the device here, you see, both side curve. This is called lens. In our eye also there is lens, right? With that lens
Yes.
we can see our lens is like awesome thing. It is, you can change the this thickness, we can change. It is very much delicate, soft. There is liquid also, so we can change the shape of the lens according to our need. We can make the lens more thicker or thinner. Which one helps us to see the nearest object or farthest object? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so we will take the ideas again when we'll discuss, you know, short distance, long distance, and some problems in our eyes. That time we will discuss those things in details. Here we go with ray diagrams now. Here we go with ray diagrams. Look, we have this one, this diagram. Can you write the heading? 3 rules for drawing ray diagrams. This heading you write. In last class, we discussed ray diagrams. Now we will write it. Okay. Three rules for drawing ray diagrams. After writing the heading, you draw this diagram.
Oh, done.
Yes. Are you done with drawing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mahi, look, Farabi, here, did you understand F? What is F?
The focal point.
Focal point. Yes, very good. And 2F means
There are two focal points.
2F means you see optical center to F we have focal length, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 2F means double of the focal length. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So Monica and Monica de Silva, two IDs. Hello Monica,
Yes, sir.
are you using two IDs?
No,
There is another Monica.
that isn't me.
That's not you.
No,
That means your profile picture I know, but other one you don't know. You can't see the participants, Monica.
Yes.
I don't know that person.
Okay, then I'm removing this one. Huh? Okay, you are there, right, Monica? Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, okay, we are continuing. So look here, 2F means where we have double of the focal lengths, right? So in both sides, we have here F and 2F, and there is some reason. There are some reasons why we are showing you F and 2F. After some time, you will understand it. So here we showed you this one so that you are becoming familiar with this F and 2F. Now I'm explaining the diagram. In last class we explained, again I'm explaining. Look, Mahi, especially for you I am repeating. Look, in the left side
Okay, sir.
we have the incident ray. Incident ray means the ray which is coming from the source, or which one is coming from the object. That is called incident ray. So the incident ray coming from the object head here, we are having here three rays. Yeah. One ray we are showing parallel to the principal axis. This one, the line, horizontal line through the optical center, that is called principal axis. So the parallel line with the principal axis, that is refracting and going through the focal point. Have you seen it? Yeah, Mahi,
Yes, sir.
I don't know your drawing, how
Yes,
you
sir.
did it, but you should draw with ruler, and this line is parallel to principal axis, and this line should go through focal point. Okay, we already told you what is focal point. If we are drawing parallel lines or parallel rays, then the lines are joining here, a single point, that is called focal point. Now the second ray, look, this second ray is going through the optical center. Huh? The second ray is going through the optical center, and when
Yes, sir.
any ray is going through the optical center, it will not bend. It will not bend. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
This is very important note
Yes,
for
sir.
you, that if any ray is going through the optical center, it will not bend. Please take this note. Everyone take this note, please. If any ray is going through optical center, it will
If any ray
go
going through
straight.
optical center,
It will go straight, or it will pass straight without bending. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after this ray, we are having the third ray. You see, the one which one is going through the focal point left side. If it is going through focal point left side, then when it is refracting and going to the other side, that time it will be parallel to the principal axis. It is opposite of the first ray. First ray, left side was parallel to principal axis, and right side is going through focal point. Third ray, left side is going through focal point, right side is parallel to principal axis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, so these three rays are intersecting the point, that is the head of the, you see, object, right? You see here, head of the object. From here the rays are going. So the image of the object is here. The head of the image will be upside down. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Look
sir.
here, the object head is giving these three rays, and these three rays are joining together in this point. That's why the head of the image will be here. Object's image head will be here. And from there we understand the image is upside down. The image is smaller. Okay. The image is smaller than the object. Look, the object size is a bit bigger, isn't it? But the image size is smaller. Is it clear to you? And
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
this
sir.
type of image we can show on the screen. we can show this type of image on the screen. That's why this type of image is called real image. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
here we got real image. You write it, real image. What is called real image? Which we can show on the screen. That image is called real image, right? Which we can show on
Yes,
the
sir.
screen.
Show on the screen.
Yeah. So after you're done with writing and drawing, I want you to write these 3 points. You write number one. What is the first point? I made it shorter for you. Look, you have to write number one. Any incident ray traveling parallel to principal axis travel through the focal point on the opposite side of the lens. So you write only the part I marked. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after you are done with first point, let me know. I will tell you second point, how to write.
Sir, done.
Then two, second rule. Second rule is from here, incident ray that passes through the center of the lens, continue, you give comma, then write continue in the same direction. After lens, you give comma, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Okay, very good. Then you do this one, third rule. Incident ray,
Yes, sir.
incident ray traveling through the focal point after refracting travel parallel to the principal axis. Till here, point. After point you give comma, then after refracting travel parallel to principal axis. After this also give comma. So Monica, hello Monica. Parabi, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, keep on writing and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Sir, done.
Getting
Monica,
disconnected.
you were disconnected for a while. I saw that maybe for 2-3 minutes you are disconnected, right?
Yes, sir.
So they already finished these points. You already understood the points, right?
Yes.
So you please after the class I will upload. Today I am doing the recording, and after class please go through the recording. Okay, then you can get these 3 points.
Okay, sir.
Already we discussed in last class also, so you will get it from there. Today's recording. Now we are going for the application of these 3 rules. Yeah, application of these 3 rules. The first one, yeah, first one is camera or human eye. How camera or human eye, these two are producing image. So you write the heading, formation of real image by camera or human eye. Formation of real image by camera or human eye. So are you seeing that? Are you done with the heading?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look here. We just had the diagram. It is the similar diagram. Okay, it is a similar diagram. And what is the properties of this diagram? We are now going to discuss that one. When camera or human eye produce the image, we are having the image smaller than the object. And you see it's written here diminished. It's written here diminished. Diminished means smaller. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Diminished means what? It is smaller. Smaller than the object size. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir or no, sir? Mahi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look, we have here real image. Why it is called real image? just few minutes back I
It's
gave,
showing on the screen.
yeah, it
Because it's showing on the screen.
very good. So the screen is our retina, right? In our eye, the screen is retina. So in retina, the image we are getting, that one is upside down. Okay, and when it is going to brain, that time it is again reversed, and we are seeing the object the way it is. Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So we are having this on the screen, that's why it is real. Then it is inverted, it is clear to us. Inverted means upside down. Inverted means upside down.
Upside
So
down.
yeah, so you please write these three properties. First one you write inverted. Uh, Inverted in bracket you write upside down. Then diminished in bracket you write smaller than the object. Real already you know. Real you do not need to write the explanation. What is real you have the idea. No problem.
Sir, inverted is upside down.
Yeah, upside down. Inverted means upside down.
Dimension and the
Diminished.
second one,
Diminished.
diminished.
Diminished means smaller than the object. Image size is smaller than the object size. I am writing here. Diminished means in bracket you write, bracket image size is you can see in the sky and you see the bird or aeroplane. You see it very small, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why it is?
Yes,
It is
sir.
because of this, that image size is diminished. Image size is smaller than the object size. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Yeah, some days back, Mahi came from Jeddah, right, Mahi?
Yes, sir.
And the aeroplane Mahi came with, that one actually uh, having lots of passengers, right? It's a big one. Lots of goods, lots of passenger, lots of things are there. But when you see in the sky, it's very small, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
In
sir.
in reality, it is a big size, isn't it? And why it is now
Yes, sir.
small when it is in the sky? Because it is diminished, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you wrote real.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. After finishing writing the properties, you please draw this diagram. It's very important to draw. And while you are drawing, draw with ruler correctly. The first ray,
Yes,
yeah, parallel to principal axis will go through the focal point. Okay, F. Then second ray going through the optical center, going straight. Third ray going through the focal point will be parallel to the principal axis other side. And this one in the middle with double head, double arrow is showing you the lens. Okay, this one is the lens position here. Do you understand it? or I should label it.
Yes, sir.
This is lens, eh? This one is lens. I'm labeling it. And after writing lens in bracket, you write optical axis.